Yeah, we're at Perry Baeten's farm here today. This is in cooperation with U.S. Fish and Wildlife, and we're on a field here of a diversified mix here of annuals and perennials.
We partnered on this project because we wanted to see the benefits that a diversified cover crop can offer to pollinators and other wildlife, especially late in the season when nectar sources are especially needed for our pollinators. Things like monarchs that might be migrating through, even some of our bumblebees that nest in the woodlots that are nearby. And then there's also benefits to our birds too, through some of the sunflower seed.
Yeah, there's potential for some of the insects to be present that'll go after slugs and that kind of thing. There's going to be, there should be a lot of predatory type insects here involved with this process. And what we're really hoping for is the beetles. So part of the reason we've got the sunflowers in here is the sunflowers lay down here. They've got some cover for those beetles here. And they're one of our beneficials here as we move through the season. So if we want to increase diversity on a producer's operation here, a mixture like this is probably going to be best after winter wheat, for example, and get in here and plant it ASAP. Some cases I think Perry may have put some manure on this one here before he even planted it, so we've got pretty nice color and pretty decent growth here throughout this stand here right now. So what Perry will do is he'll come in here next spring and he'll potentially harvest the triticale, and we've got some lentils in here and some hairy vetch. Hopefully we can harvest that at that point. The ultimate goal is to come in here and no-till plant corn into this next spring. So as you can see, this field should be pretty loosened up. You know, we'll have a lot of microbial life and that kind of thing as we move forward next season. And with this 9-way species, we'll get a release of nutrients at different times throughout the season. So that's the advantage of doing that 9-way mix as well.